Today's sticky note fact is that every ton of recycled paper saves 17 trees. Recycling paper not only reduces waste, but also saves trees, water, and energy. By recycling, we can help protect forests and conserve the resources needed to make new paper. Fun fact: recycling paper also reduces air pollution by 73% compared to making paper from raw materials. That's a huge environmental benefit. What other materials can we recycle to help the environment? How do you think recycling can help fight climate change? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.